Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to say thank you for Fiorano as well as First Cambodia to allow me to be here today, right, to share one of our experience with our primary partner, especially First Cambodia and also Fiorano, right. What I'm going to share here is maybe only short highlight, right, but I'd like to call it as a sharing, right, because actually we already have engagement for quite many years, right? But I want to share what changed us in a way as a bank, especially in the IT area, right? We'll start with actually just to give highlight who we are, right? For those who are not yet maybe know about Canada Bank, so basically we are Canada Bank is one of the largest bank in Cambodia, right? At the moment, actually, we are starting our journey, or actually, we are established in 1991, so it's almost, not almost, but more than 30 years in the market in Cambodia, right? Now, also, we have the vision to be the best bank in Cambodia, right? At the moment, we have around 3,300 employees, as well as we have a total asset of more than 7 billion USD, right? We have 60 branches all over the country, as well as we are now close to having more than 300 to 400 ATMs and CRM across the nations, right? So in terms of our customer, we are serving all customers from corporate, SME, and retail consumer customer. So the journey, when we talk about digital transformation, right? So recently, I understand that people are talking about digital transformation maybe for the last couple of years, especially after the pandemic era, right? But actually, I prefer to call it our journey as transformation journey, because actually we already started the journey of digital transformation way before that, right? Actually, we started when it was in 2016, whereby actually the National Bank of Cambodia (NBC) started the project called the FAST, right, to move from conventional interbank transfer, which I think took few days, into almost immediate fund transfer. At that time, there were 13 commercial banks, including us, as well as some of the microfinance institution, right? At that time, the experience that we had is actually the timeline, of course, is as constrained, as well as because when we talk about the interbank transfer, right? So normally what we do in conventional way is we are doing like host to host, or even what we call point-to-point integration, which is quite expensive, not only in terms of effort for us, right, but in terms of timeline, right? It will normally take few months, if not year, to just to integrate for few banks, right? So at that time, we start FAST project, and we understand that there was necessity to have a quite robust system whereby we can also integrate in more flexible way, and as well as in a shorter timeline. This one is only one of the project, right? The other project is actually we also at that time we are start to grow our services in terms of ATM and other digital channel as well. So all of this was actually quite loading our workload in a way, and also our project timeline. And if as I mentioned, if we are doing it in conventional way, I don't think we can make it on time for all the integration and IT initiative, right? So this is where actually we start looking at solution, and we found out that at the time Fiorano, using their ESB, actually one of the solution, if not the best solution that we can find at the time as well, right? So actually all of this project we implemented in 2016 something, right? And we go live, implemented all of these especially fast as well as ATM using Fiorano ESB, which I believe is very helpful to us. Reason being, not only their flexibility, their reliability, working on the micro services, but for those functions, for example, their eStudio, what Mr. Atul just mentioned about drag and drop, it's really help us in terms of project implementation as well as development, right? So once we finish all of those projects, actually we also keep doing and enhancing our system, including all the AML event and SWIFT, and also our merchant payment gateway, right? So these are actually where we began our journey. That's why I'm saying that when people talking about digital transformation, actually we already did it earlier. Not only to have something that transform from the conventional way of working, of integration, right? But also giving us more flexibility and reliability as well. I will end my sharing here with what actually we feel, right? What is the conclusion that we can feel using Fiorano solution is, again, as I mentioned, we found out that flexibility, in a way, we found that the solution of the middleware of Fiorano as well, giving us reliability, flexibility as well, agility, right? Instead of traditional way of doing it, as well as faster time to market, because with the support as well and the microservices function of the Fiorano solution, it gives us, in a way, flexibility and faster time to market. I think what's next? So what we are planning to do now is actually we keep doing the integration, because as we understand, when we talk about digital transformation, it's all about the creating also digital ecosystem, right? And one of the key points that we need to have is actually a strong and reliable API management as well as our middleware. That's why we are planning also to keep improving and also implementing either third party as well as integration to other dealers, for example, with the help of our middleware, as well as I think this is the way that we are going to move forward about the open banking, as mentioned before, right? Even we understand, for example, for Bakong, for the next phase of Bakong also, they already start adapting concept of open banking, API management, open banking. That's why we think we have an advantage. In a way, we already started earlier, and we are going to move forward with the open banking and API management with the Fiorano solution, right? So I think these are the things that I'd like to share, and maybe it's only short sharing session, but yeah, again, what I can feel is what we can feel here in a Canadian bank is that Fiorano, as well as with the partner from First Cambodia, we can get a lot of in a way advantage and benefit because of the agility, as well as the way the platform is built is really is flexible for us and supporting our not only IT in terms of integration, but also business time to market for any of the business requirement. Yeah, I think that's end my sharing. Thank you again for having me here. Thank you.